Managing a remote team across time zones can feel overwhelming, but it's not as hard as it seems once you have the right systems in place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to manage a remote team effectively, even if your team is spread out all over the world. Stick around till the end for an exclusive offer on software that'll make your job a whole lot easier. First, the key to managing a remote team across time zones is scheduling. You need to find the best times that work for everyone. Use time zone tools like World Time Buddy or Google Calendar's time zone feature to set up meetings. Avoid scheduling meetings at inconvenient times for your team members as much as possible. You want to keep team morale high, and nobody likes waking up at 3 a.m. for a call. Next, communication is crucial. With remote teams, you're relying on digital tools to stay connected. Make sure you have a clear communication strategy. Set up channels for different purposes, use Slack or Microsoft Teams for daily communications, and make sure important updates are shared in a centralized place. This helps team members know where to go for answers and reduces unnecessary back and forth. Now, to keep things moving smoothly, you need to document everything. Since people are in different time zones, you can't always expect a real-time response. Make sure that your processes are well documented, so when someone is working while another is asleep, they can pick up right where the other left off. Tools like Google Docs or Notion can help you with this. You also want to implement async work. Async work lets your team contribute when it works best for them. This is a must when working across multiple time zones. Tools like Asana or Trello make it easy to track work asynchronously. Everyone can contribute on their own time without having to wait for others. You might also want to consider video messages or voice memos for things that need more explanation. It's also a great idea to build trust with your team. Time zone differences can create feelings of isolation, so make it a point to check in regularly. Regular one-on-one meetings, even if they're short, can make a huge difference. Use video calls to maintain a personal connection, but also give your team the flexibility to communicate via text when needed. Finally, let's talk about software. I've tried some of the most popular tools out there, and I'm recommending the software we'll be using in this video. It streamlines communication, keeps everyone on track, and makes collaboration easier across time zones. I've also got an exclusive free trial for you, only available to viewers of my channel. Make sure to grab it in the description below to follow along. Now, let's wrap this up with the key takeaway. The most important thing when managing a remote team across time zones is having the right processes and tools in place. By setting up clear communication, using time zone management tools, documenting everything, and allowing for async work, you'll be able to keep your team productive and engaged no matter where they are. Quick revision. Plan your schedule to respect time zones. Keep communication clear and organized. Document everything, enable async work, and build trust with your team. And don't forget, the exclusive free trial of our recommended software is linked in the description below. Take advantage of that to streamline your remote team management even further. Thanks for watching.